Welcome. In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 570 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the up button. Once the menu opens, you can scroll down, tap on watch settings, and then you can scroll through the settings and look for the option called Power Manager. Once you find it, tap on it, and here we have the battery saver option, and you can toggle it by tapping on the switch. It will tell you the estimation and what will be changed. As you can see, quite a few features were disabled, and then you can press the back button and the battery saver will be enabled. And if you want to disable it, you can simply tap on this option again, and the estimation will change, of course, and the status as well. We can also make this process a bit quicker. Basically, you won't need to go to settings. You can use the controls menu. So open the controls menu by pressing and holding the light button. Once you open it, scroll through it and look for the power saving mode icon. By default, it won't be here. So if it's not here in this menu, what you need to do is to press and hold the menu button or up button, then tap on Add Controls, scroll through the list and look for the power saving or battery saver. Once you find it, you can tap on it. You will see the message control added. Then you can go back, and now when we scroll through the list, the battery saver should be on the list. And once you select the icon, you can press the start button to enable the battery saver. You will see the status on, and you can press it again to disable it. Okay, and once you're done, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.